Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, on by Gino. So, Tesla gap down, still hold the gap level, still holding. We were watching for strong reversal up. So it did gap below, but we never got a close below the 4-hour rotation zone. That's why, even though I said it was looking tired, you still got to trade the price action. We didn't fill the gap. Gap area held, strong reversal with the rotation zone, never closing below the 4-hour rotation zone, rotating back up to this like nice 990 level. So that was a key open. This doji open, this little high there, and this key close. So that's a very key level. Tomorrow above 1,000, we'll be watching a return to 1027.48. Then if you want the minor levels, this is another. For some reason, we have great examples today of when to use reverse GAN boxes. So 1042, 1057 are the minor levels. Moving up, the next major level is 1070. So these are more interim levels, especially to move up stops should you have done anything with a rotation up. 1070 is a definite move stop level. Above there, the other levels haven't changed. A major cluster at just above 1,100. Coming in about 1,112, I'd just be watching 1,100 at this point. What are we looking for support? Support, first level at support is about 965. Then we're watching down to, I'd just be watching about 950, and then if it drops below there, about 930, 935. So that's, I'm watching this key close. We reacted at this level with this little slightly up bar, but pretty close to a doji, and the rising rotation zone. So those are the key levels I'd be watching based off the 4-hour. Daily chart closing, remember Friday, right at the rotation zone. And a big reversal. This is actually an engulfing bar because this is a lower low and a higher high. So outside bar, engulfing bar, pretty bullish bar. That's really about it. Major support, minor support on the daily, 942. Major support on the daily would be this gap fill. So we'd be watching down about 880, 889. So yeah, for you on Tesla, we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.